Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so we're going to get into our projects with all about McVeigh School. I feel like I could have written this project, but this was from Juliana, and she said it's one of the best places to learn. I couldn't agree more. Then we have all about dogs. This is by Mackenzie Krug, and she says dogs. That she has a dog named Bailey, and she's big and black, and the type of dog is a Bernedoodle. Well, Mackenzie, I have a Bernedoodle also, but mine is gray. That yes, also very big. So super fun. There's Barely right there. All right, now the next one is on the continents by Deneen in room 205. So inside, as you flip the pages, you can see all of the continents. So you have North America, Asia. Now this is curious because Europe and Asia share the same land mass. So I'll show you quickly. All right, so here we are. Asia and Europe are connected. So continents over time were huge masses of land surrounded by water. So here's North America. Now North America there's a small division up here in the separation of Alaska and Russia, but surrounded by water. Okay. But over time, the continents have drifted. Nonetheless, Europe and Asia are connected. So many people will call that Eurasia because it's one landmass. Little fun fact. All right. So then there's Africa, Antarctica, and then South America and Australia. And that's another one. I think it was Ibrahim and somebody else. I'm trying to think of who else authored the project on New Zealand. I don't still have it, but I'm pretty sure it was Ibrahim. So now Australia includes all of the islands around it, and they call it Oceania. So some people will say Australia, others will say Oceania. So good work, Denise. All right, the Oceania and the universe. So this is by Aiden and 214, who has given us a diagram of our solar system. Solar meaning sun. Our system is our planets. And then starting from the sun, you have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Just trying to make sure these are correct. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I used to say Pluto, but they learned that's not a planet. It's considered a mini planet. But anyhow, so Mercury being closest to the sun there. And finally, we have some Getting Smart Through Art by Lauren Lau. Look at that, beautiful for spring. Now, our mystery number in Wordle. So 220 was the only class that had gotten it yesterday. But today I'm proud to say that class 107 has it. Class 117, Julian from 122. And then Umeo, Emily, Sandia, Angelo, Jacob, Chris, Larry, Samura, Axel, Isa, let's see, Chloe, Vedant, and Gabe have all gotten it. Super proud of them too. Okay, so here it is. The word was mindful. FUL makes this word mind an adjective. But the critical word here is mind. So when you are mindful, you're using your mind for something. So you're making sure that you think. You make a mindful decision. It means you thought about it. When you are practicing mindfulness, you're making sure that you're connecting with your thoughts in a positive way. And when you're mindful of other people, you think about them and make sure that your actions are what they should be. So you might say, well, be mindful that it's raining today, and so the traffic is going to be heavier. So think, well, what happens when it's raining? People are more nervous on the road, and therefore there could be more slippery conditions, so you have to be extra careful. So being mindful relates to many different things, but it means that your thoughts are full of thinking, not just something whimsical. That's just something you just come up with. You have to be thinking. And that's what Mighty Minds do. And the other part was the mystery number. And it was 422. Why did I choose that? Because on 422, which is next Monday, we're not in school. We are mindful of the earth. That's what we do here at McVeigh. This is Earth Day. We will celebrate Earth Week at McVeigh when we get back from the break, and we'll talk a lot about the earth. But on Monday, I want you to be mindful of the earth and our impact on it. And now for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day, let's get a drum roll. Da, da, da. So our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is coming from Levy in room 222, who's saying, be kind, just like a mighty mind. Yes. And today I'm going to say, be mindful on my day for Earth Day. Because every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a wonderful vacation.